Hello and welcome to my test bench. Today it's about networking in Unity. So there is a Unity provided solution. It's called netcode for game objects, but I never liked the old networking stuff, and I also wanted to write it by myself. And by this I mean my own solution. So for all of those who have trouble with the Unity solution, who have trouble with netcode for game objects, maybe give this a try. So first, what do we need to do? It's not much. Go to the desktop, create a folder. Let's call this NFU. And here are the commands: git clone. And then we go to the directory and run the server first. And then we create a 3D project in Unity, import the package that you downloaded here and press play. Okay, close this, open this folder, open the terminal, and then say I should have copied it, github.com, and NFU, copy the files, there they are, cd NFU server and .NET run. So now the server is running. Let's move this to another monitor. Now we have to create our game. Let's call it game. And then also open a new project in Unity. Let's say new project, 3D, call it game. What's red here? I don't know. Say this, and where do we have it? NFU, game, select folder, and create project. So here we are. Now we have to import the package, custom package. We also downloaded this. It's inside here. And let's import everything. And yes, reload. Oh, this is a simple scene. Let's check the server here. Still running. Yes, I can do this. Here's the server. Let's move this a little bit more. So, okay, beautiful. And now hit play. As you can see, here we got our client. We are confirmed. And now, for example, let's build this finally. Go to build settings. I will make it windowed 720 by 405. That's it. And we are going to make a folder called build. Create the build. Let's close the server for a second. Let's close this, move this to another monitor, run the server again. Now we connect with our Unity. So here we are. Dum-de-dum. Funny. Yeah. And now let's run this. Here we are. And as you can see on the left side, the blue cube is moving now, and yeah. Give me a sec. Move this here. Let's have a look. Okay, it's nice. And now, yeah. Easy and simple. Nothing to code. If you want to know how it works in detail, let me a comment below and ask me whatever you want to know. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time.